Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. When we look at the economical events calendar for today is Thursday, October 6th. Today also we have Chinese bank holiday. At 5 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for euro related currency pairs. 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by which 7:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. Again at 9 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. So today we don't have any high impacting news planned for major currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action in weekly time frame, previously it was in a very strong bearish trend and it came up to the level of 1615, and now we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Usually previous lows are considered as a very strong resistance and support levels, and currently we are noticing the price action to break this resistance zone and continue its bullish side retracement. So on the other side, when the price action tries to bounce back on the bearish side, this whole area will be acting as a support zone, preventing the price from falling further on the bearish side trend. So for now, as long as the price action is trading above this support zone, the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame is also on a bullish trend, or we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in weekly time frame. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, same as weekly time frame, previously the price action was in a bearish trend and currently it has broken the strong resistance zone between 1700 to 1680 and it is on a bullish side retracement. I've again drawn a resistance line over here connecting the highs. So currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line over here. So if you want to continue trading on the bullish side retracement, wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side. This trend line is preventing the price action from trending on the bullish side retracement. But here also we can notice that the price has tested the support level of 1700 and it couldn't continue its bearish side retracement, and we have noticed the price action to be consolidating within this resistance and support level. So in daily time frame, as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend reversal to start in daily time frame. To get a confirmation, we have to wait till it breaks the support zone between 1700 to 1680, based on which you can take trades on the bearish side. So these are all the resistance levels and the support levels for current price action in daily time frame. So wait for the price action to break the resistance level of 1730 to take trades on the bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1761, and wait for the price action to break the support zone between 1700 to 1680, based on which bearish trend reversal will start in daily time frame. Next level of support is going to be around 1658, 1614. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. As usual, I'm going to draw a support line or a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action from the level where it made its bullish side trend reversal. And based on this trend line or the support line, we can clearly notice that price action has tested this resistance line from the daily time frame and it tried to bounce back on the bearish side trend reversal, but it couldn't break the strong support zone between 1700 to 1680, and we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this 4 hours time frame support line on the resistance line from the daily time frame. Wait for the directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame also, which means you can take trades on the bullish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is in a bullish trend because it is trading above this 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line. But this resistance line from the daily time frame is preventing the price action from continue trending on the bullish side trend. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line from the 4 hours time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side trend reversal. Currently the price action is consolidating within this resistance and support levels from the daily time frame and 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1730 and support level of 1715, and if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1730, next level of resistance is going to be around 1747, 1761 and 1776. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1715, next level of support is going to be around 1700, 1680, 1655. And as long as the price action is trading above this 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in hourly time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame. Again in 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this resistance line and the support line. There is no direction in the market. It is only testing the resistance line and then bouncing back and testing the support line. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side, or wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. And if you are a scalper, you can be scalping within this daily time frame resistance line and the 4 hours time frame support line, but requesting you to trade with a very tight stop loss. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1724 and support level of 1719. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1724, wait for it to break this resistance line from the daily time frame, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1730, 1738 and 1748. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1719, next level of support is going to be around 1715, 1712, 1708 and 1700. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame, and when we look at the trend of the price action in 15 minutes time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line, and currently it is in a bullish side retracement. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1723 and support level of 1718. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1723, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1730. And please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for levels above this. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1718, next level of support is going to be around 1715, 1711, 1707 and 1700. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.